Okay, so let's do another problem on the solution of equations. Here we go. Problem number 13. Solve the equation x cube minus 12x square plus 39x minus 28 is equal to 0 given that the roots are in arithmetic progression. Okay, so that is our cubic equation. Sir, that means there are going to be as many as 3 roots. Those 3 roots can be assumed as a minus d, a and a plus d. So if you've got 3 quantities which are in AP, you can write it like this. You just need to work out what is the value of A, what's D. D basically is the common difference. So in front of you is an arithmetic progression. Do watch this very, very carefully. If you watch, you've got these two terms, 1 and 3, then 3 and 5, and then 5 and 7. If you watch carefully, the difference between 3 and 1 or 2 consecutive terms is 2. 5 minus 3 is going to also give you 2. 7 minus 5 is also going to give you 2. This basically is known as the common difference, which is represented by small d. That's the common difference for you. Secondly, this over here is the first term. Okay, and first term is denoted by small a. So these is the terminology that you need to know. Okay, let me erase these things and let us now go ahead applying the alpha, beta, gamma relationships. By the way, that's alpha, that's beta, and that's gamma for you. Now, let me take you back to something that we learned before. This over here is a cubic equation. And sir, in cubic equation, we can apply as many as 3 relationships. This is sum of the roots. This is sum of the product of the roots, 2 at a time. That is alpha, beta, beta, gamma. This is simply the product of the roots. Now, the unknowns that I do have are A and D. That means there are as many as 2 unknowns. And for working out 2 unknowns, you need to have 2 equations only. And we are going to apply those 2 equations as sum of the roots and product of the roots. Okay, this one I'm not going to use it. Here we go. Let's start with sum of the roots. Sir, the D's are going to cancel each other. A plus A will give us 3A. And if you watch carefully, students, negative, positive, and negative. Minus of minus 12. That is exactly what I have written. A becomes 4. Now let's go for the product of the roots. Okay, product of the roots. Minus of minus 28, alpha, beta, and gamma. Just do it. A minus D into A plus D will give you A square minus D square, and that's positive 28. And on plugging in the value of A, which is equal to 4, this is what you get. You need to simplify this. 4 times of 7 is 28. That means 4 square minus D square or 16 minus D square is equal to 7. On simplifying, we further come to know that D square is equal to 9. So D's value is going to be positive as well as negative 9. Now you need to do 2 things. You can take the positive value and do this calculation. You can take the negative value and do this calculation. A is going to stay same, that is 4 in both the cases. Let us do that, and based on that we are going to get 2 answers. It may appear that these are 2 different answers, but it is not. It's one and same. Here this is the order from 1 4 7, and here the order is reverse, 1 4 7. The roots are one and same. I hope this video has helped you understand as to how roots are calculated when they follow a progression. This was the case of arithmetic progression, and as far as geometric progression is concerned, we are going to discuss it in the next video. That is going to be interesting. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share it with your friends and your classmates so that they can also benefit. Thank you very much. Good day.